guys, with Eliza. And we just got some ice cream from the ice cream man. Shout out to Gilbert because he is sad for me leaving, and he gave me some credit cards. So
hey guys, do you want to see our kittens?
Yeah, we don't care.
Come on, let's go see our kittens.
Well, it's yours. I don't live with you. Just my friend.
Alright, we're going to try to find some.
No. Don't go near. Look, I can zoom in on this.
So you see our kittens? They're really cute.
Yeah.
They're the most adorable thing ever. Oh, let's see if we can see some more kittens. Come on.
A close snap up on them. You want it?
Let's see if we can.
I'm gonna throw this on the ground.
No, I seriously want it.
Okay. There you go. Okay. Let's go. A troubling breakdown when the mama cat is right in the baby cat. There's another baby cat that just went there. Come here. Never mind. It appears
Don't tell
that
my mom that I had 2 ice creams.
it appears that there is one under the canoe. We are going to flip over the canoe. You ready, guys? Get out!
Spiders in there.
No, there ain't.
There was a wolf spider in there once.
Yeah, those.
One time I had a wolf spider crawling on me.
Their bites make like bubbles on it. I want that
Come on,
black.
let's go.
I want that black cat. It's nice, right?
Here, pretend to have your ice cream, but don't lick it.
Why?
I already
Because
licked
she's
it.
outside.
Yeah.
How do you know? She walking something? Okay. Lick. I'm gonna throw it up.
No, don't throw.
3, 2, 1. Give me one. Why you get in trouble? Why?
Because I have 2 ice creams, but I love sugar.
There ain't a lot of sugar. Your mom's too.
Gas is coming.
Hi, Drive! Yes, sir! You're on the YouTube video! I was knocking on your door, but you never... Yeah, we bought ice cream from the ice cream man.
Oh my god.
We bought ice cream from the ice cream man. I gave her mine. Yeah, let's both write down. Huh? Yeah, I'm making a YouTube video. You're in it.
It's the wrong way, but it's okay.
Who cares?
Go.
You guys ready for this? Look how much cracks I got.